Well, you know, Bird, I've been hearing you say you're going to knock me out for close to 3 years now. And, I don't know, Bird. You ain't that tough to me. I don't know if you can scare a little bit of the junkies you supply out here, down around Long Island and little hick towns. But my name's Little Richie Cappy. And, you got another thing coming, son. So bring your noise anytime you want to bring your wings. Anytime you think they can fly my way, don't hesitate, dog. And do me a favor. Bring whoever you got to bring with you. And call who you got to call. But don't hesitate, dog. And don't try to half-step. Because the next day, or a couple of hours later, it's me keying up. Not you, biatch.
Richard, when I roll up, it's going to be lights the fuck out. Just like your boy, The Rock. And you know who I'm talking about, motherfucker.
Well, I know you're making some pretty heavy threats, and you're trying to openly brag on the airwave that you punched out a senior-old man. What is he, close to 70? Come on, Bird, you ain't no tough guy. You're a fucking coke junkie. I'll snap you like a toothpick.
I'll snap you like a toothpick. A toothpick. He said it plural because of one tooth he's got.
Hey, unfortunately, your girlfriend there, Crazy Eddie, doesn't want to hear your bird chirp. He keeps stepping all over you. But Birdman3931, you know, me and the public have been listening to y'all and Enforcer for a long time. Talk all that yin-yang, him wearing special Kevlar gloves, him telling everybody in detail how he's going to use them, you saying you're going to do this and do that. You want to impress me, dude? I'm from Missouri. Show me.
Hey, little Cappy.
Hey, it's like this. I tell you where I am every night, prime time, at the corner of Utica and Clarkson. I've been telling you for how, a little over 2 years now? And I've yet to see Birdfag or Enforcer roll up. As a matter of fact, just last week, Mr. Enforcer admits in a video gate, that's number 59 and 60, that he never physically laid eyes on me face to face. Even from 50 feet away, hiding like a coward in a car or a passing bus. And I think that's hilarious. But anyway, Birdman, like I said, that might work on those junkies down around Nassau and Suffolk. You know what I mean, those little mama's boys. But that ain't working in Brooklyn, New York. You want some credibility around Brooklyn, New York? You gotta show them proof, baby.
That's that first shovel of dirt right there. Just covered him up.
Yeah, I'll be nice. I'll title my video games the same title so they can get both sides of it while he's trying to convince them, Eddie, that he's 6 blocks away and you stepping all over him with 2 more bars. That must mean you're 2 blocks away. I think it's hilarious the whole time in the gate.
You gotta remind these motherfuckers out here.
All right, I'm going to get back quiet now. I did what I had to do. Oh, Fag Birdman, he off the air now. And, guys, I'll tell you what, guys. If Birdman ever came off the mic and took a swing at me, I would take every piece of equipment I have down and I would never put it up again. You know what I mean? But I'm going to tell you something. I gave you a word. I'm a man of my word. I show and prove out here. I'm laughing about that statement because I know my shit will still be standing like it has been for 3 decades. Now, if he does come at me, and I'm the one keying up a couple hours later, and he's in the morgue, hey, that's just a dead useless coke bird. Oh, and I'm back. Wow.
Right back to you there, Birdman. Right back to you there, Birdman. Good morning.
Come on, man. You can't start another fake video gate. The whole time you're running that video gate, he's claiming he's 6 blocks away. He can't even light the 2nd bar. You're stepping on him the whole time, and you're lighting the 4th bar, blinking in any old way. Guess that means you were 2 blocks away already. Audio. Like I said, you can sell that to the junkies out here, but you ain't selling it to the men on back. Why?
Nothing but my dog radio.
Roger, right on. Even that clown out there screaming Super Trucker's title was taking Bird out to Videogate the whole damn time while he's saying I'm 6 blocks away from Richie without spinning his camera at the cross street above his head. So that clown was taking him out. I love my Videogates. Cb19nyc on YouTube, TGIF. Your hole in the wall, CB Shop, Videogate number 3 in the morning, rolling. I'm back in the car.
Bad boy, South Texas just got down, 956.
Roger, right on, South Texas. 127, go ahead.
Richie. Those guys again, South Texas.
Yeah, I kind of figured that was a little bogus there, 4. I kind of figured that one might not be right. But I figured since it came in the gate, I had to respond to it there. That what?
Yeah, look at this shit. I'm gonna raise up another 5 feet. And motherfucker had a broomstick handle duct tape with the hose clamp. I was like, holy shit, look at that.
And which video game was that? Which video game was that? The one where he had all the hose clamps around the steel shin stack with the 2x4s, making sure it had no rock housing or shock housing? Yeah. Yes, sir. All 3 master of it without one guide wire audio drive. Hey, Eddie, you know, all that stuff you're talking about is on Videogate, man. I made a lot of antenna Videogates. I made a lot of Videogates on the rooftops of what was beating y'all down. I think one day I stood out there and spun the camera eye level, 360 all around me, just to let you know that at any given time I feel like doing that and better. It's easier done than said. But down here on the ground, I'm having so much more fun. You know, I shut down New York City, man. I killed CB radio for a while. For a couple of months, there wasn't a peep across the band. Everybody yelling us the plus 30 hour. Nobody got their name called for almost 3.5 months straight over Richie. It took Mikey with triple the power and a beam to get the job done. I mean, you know, it was pretty lonely for a while there. It's better than me being sea level. It puts a lot more shit in the game. Yeah, but he been off the air for a while now, dude. That apartment's gone, that antenna gone, everything all gone, you know what I mean? Audio. And they all wind up getting gone because they're not in private housing like me. They don't have a nice lease like me. They don't live in a gated community. You know what I mean? And, well, rocking out with the king, you know? You don't have the equipment I got, so you're not clean. You don't have the support I got around me, so you're no good. And last but not least, you ain't got what I got hiding in my back pockets. The king of New York, rock and roll.
Bad boy, South Texas, 956 just got down.
Roger, right on. Look at what I did. I got the whole world jumping to New York City in my morning Videogate. I woke up the whole world, man. I got every beam in the U.S. aimed at New York City. Your hole in the wall, Brooklyn, New York CB Shop, Cb19nyc Videogate, Cb19nyc New York Videogate, roll, and I'm back quiet.
Come on, how about you come and find out? Yo, Katrina, why you got your fucking ass in this lane, man? Get the fuck out this lane, man. See how you doing? I'm about to cut some radios off.
Man, you better do a lot better than Noise Rider if you're going to play the cutoff of my New York Videogate. Cb19nyc on YouTube. Videogate number 3 in the morning. Don't forget, guys, check out pound 59 and pound 60. Check out pound 59 and pound 60 on the same page as Audio Drive.
Hey, man, stop talking all that trash, man. Talking shit. I know your mama told you that one.
That's what I told him. Talk is cheap. It's time for action. Action, not words. What should I say? How does it go? Action speaks louder than words. Audio. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I could be wrong.
You know I know who you is. So don't fake the fun with me. I got what you need, baby, no doubt. I got what you need. And you know I'm not your friend. And you know.
God, man. You know, I wish I could hear the guy this cat's yelling at, man. I really wish I could hear the cat he yelling at. Oh, that sounds funny as hell on my video game. Audio. Oh, cool stroke. The King of New York. Rockin' all. Audio. Monkey bacon. I'm about to cut some radios off. Oh, cool stroke. The hole in the wall, Brooklyn CB shop. The most talked about, most feared tech on and off the mic in New York City. So somebody can show and prove otherwise.
That's the only thing you get in public.
Eddie, we ain't holding our breath waiting for you to show anything that's truthful and justified out here. Audio. Audio. Yes, sir. We sure are not waiting for you, Eddie. You're a bad boy, Eddie. Audio. Just a little cool stroke. Taking a little Intimate out of there. Toning it down a little. Taking about 200 off the top end with the desired sound I want. Me and this $9 audio. Me and this little $9 stock mic is back wide. Poor Birdman. Beat up an old senior guy just because his name was Richie, and then he thought the guy was ratting on me. Guy had to be like close to 70 years old, so old Birdie sucker punched him. Is that a tough guy? Is that somebody any man should be worried about out here? Come on, dude. An elementary school kid ain't even worried about a dope plucker like that. He's sharpening his up-and-coming fist. Gonna make a snack out of him. Audio. I gotta say, guys, we damn sure beat him up before he came out. And what a beautiful morning it was. I mean, even though you had Crazy Eddie and Birdman, you didn't have the junkie, the jizz sucker, the bitch, the man of... The man will tell you, it's okay, chill out, relax, smoke whatever. TGIF. And you could hear a pin drop out in New York City. Audio. You could hear a pin drop. Audio. You could hear a pin drop in New York City. Me and this $9 stock mic back quiet.
I ain't got no time for the bullshit.
You hear that faggot this morning? You know how many, let me tell you something. If I had a broken radio for every time Birdman or Enforcer said they would have come and beat me up or knock me out or call me a rat because I exposed them, there's no fraud to expose about me, dog. I'm RC127. Y'all all know my name. Y'all all know my game. Y'all know when it comes to the CB radio industry, ain't nobody kept a cleaner game with the Better Business Bureau or the local town police department than Richie. Richie was flawless, 100% correct, and never douched anybody. The king of New York. When it comes to this radio shit, I'm in it to win it. If you ain't, stay the hell out the ring. Pull out, monkey bacon. You all up in the video game before I figured I'd let you know. Me and this 29.5-cent radio and this $9 Notorious mic is now back quiet. What did he say?
I thought you were big on it. Dirty bird. Oh, a little cabby. 127. What day are we going to designate for this swinger? Or am I going to go on that one? What, the walk-in supermarket? Yeah. I got you sometime. All right. Now, I don't want to have to hold your hand, but personal invitation. You know what I mean? The mail guy. Hello? Oh, little cracky. I don't think he's the radio. The little cat.
How long you and Richie been smoking that crack there, son? We've been dying to find a cat he smoked that shit with. Lord knows we've been looking for photo, video, any kind of proof what a cat he smoking with. How long you and him been smoking that shit? Good morning, Mr. Non-Junkie Birdman, TGIF.
TGIF back to ya. Oh yeah. Smoking, toking, and joking. I ain't joking.
Roger Dodger, two and pass.
Why you want to do that? They say
Ah, shit. Two and pass, Bird. Bird, two and pass, dog plugger.
Hey, Richie, what do you have for breakfast? What's your gourmet breakfast today, Richie? What's on the menu?
Well, you know, Eddie, after I go to sleep and wake up at around noontime, I'll decide. But I could tell you what the late night snack was. It was a big steakhouse mushroom and burger from Mickey D's. It was 6 hot wings there from the Chinese restaurant. And let's not forget some lava cakes from Domino's. Your hole in the wall, CB shop. Yeah, I treated myself last night. I brought 2 less bags of bud and brought some snacky. Why, what'd you have for your last bite, Eddie? Hello, Eddie. Hello. Cuckoo. Eddie, what's the matter? With the pussycat got your tongue? I tell you, if you let that cat out of your shirt, man, she'll stop clawing at you. Well, you know, Eddie, sometimes at night I got a part-time gig in Domino's, so I'm not going to lie, dude. All I had to do was run one errand, and I got my lava cake, so it was a 3-block walk, you know, there and back. But it gave me my lava cakes hot right out the oven.
CB shop was sleep during the day, and he's up all night.
Well, Eddie, most of my shop business has been correlated and choreographed for afternoon time. You know, a majority of the dollar vans and taxis that I run with, their rush ends about 10 a.m. So by the time they're done counting their money and feel like spending, it's about 11 noon time. So noon on up is really profitable for me. All my radio work that cannot be done while they wait, that I have to keep overnight, I stay up most of the night doing, Eddie. Like those 2 radios right there and those 4 mics. So I guess you could say when I wake up, I'm waking up to what you're busting your hump for from the Giddy app. The King of New York. Back quiet.
Yeah, you mean the working taxpayer that paying for your fucking bad habit? Is that what it is? Paying for your fucking crack hole? You call your old world CB shop?
Well, Eddie, I don't know where you've been or what places you've been at, but I live in a private home, a gated community, no Section 8. I pay my own way every day daily, or should I say radio work. Radio work on channel 37 and 34 pays my way every day daily, including that massive weed habit I got, which can be anywhere from 20 to 50 a day. On most days, it's just straight up dirty. But you know, Eddie, radio work is real good to me because I'm really good at it. My name is RC127, Nemesis, baby. And I'm back in my quiet chair.
Where's CK? Oh, CK. I'll put you on the spot. Good cracky boy. Cracky boy.
You know, if you want, I can make sure his paperwork gets lost, keep him in Central another couple of days, and that'll make you happy. You know what's funny, Eddie? That's what everybody calls CK. Especially, I just heard your friend out there call him that. Audio this. It don't get no cleaner or no lower. No lower than me got it right now. Audio. Yes, sir. $9 stock mic, like what?
Like I said, you better enjoy while you can. Because around this time next year, we got a new man in the house to clean up the mess out there.
You know what I love about those next new guys? They're not allowed to supersede or go against their predecessor when it comes to presidential appointments. And that, Eddie, just puts a humongous smile on my face. One like you don't know. I'm sorry, Eddie. Did they teach you that growing up in school about government and politics? About the United States predecessor, about a United States president? not being able to rule against his predecessor? Eddie, especially in matters of national security? Eddie, didn't you pay attention in school, Eddie? No wonder why you never got a high-ranking government job, Eddie. Eddie, do you know the definition of dignitary, Eddie? Eddie, do you know the definition attached to my appointment, Eddie? Do you have any idea of the word dignitary, Eddie? A cat that's too overqualified to be out here playing with jerk-offs and junkies like y'all? Come on, dude. I do it for the love of the hobby, not because I like the people. Half of them I'll turn away. I'll sell them whatever I got in my store, and I will not do their radio work. I'll give it to them for the lowest price they've seen in their life, just so I can smile and say have a nice day. The king of New York, I'm rocking on. Oh, what happened, Eddie? That cat got your tongue again? Damn, Eddie. You know, Eddie, I can't wait for the day I finally have an eyeball with you, man. I can't wait till you walk up to me and say, oh, I'm crazy Eddie. You know what? I'm not going to hold my breath waiting for it. But your kid brother seems to think that you're the type of guy that would do that. Poor kid. I'm back in the quiet chair. Hey, yo, I got plenty of time for it, man, but sometimes the company you keep, man, I don't know.
I need motherfucking backhoe to fucking show up all the bullshit today.
Yeah, well, I think I'm pretty good at making sure you never have to shovel up any of mine. The king of New York got up by quiet. Actually, Doc, you were always the best kept secret. The missing link. The detail that was never there. Gotta love it. Hey. That's Schultz. That's Schultz and Hogan's Heroes. But I tell you what, a piece of straw. And he changed his tune quick. Are you kidding? That little Debbie cheese strudel they got? Yo, hey Mike, just try the little Debbie cheese strudel one time, bro. Just one time. That's it. Yeah, we're just taking out the trash in the trash haulers, you know what I mean, dog? I do apologize, but if you have any kind of memory and you're somebody out here, you remember me politely asking for quite a few months, come on, man, what's the matter with you, man? I don't think like that part. You know, and I know if you're one of those, you kindly and distinctly remember me saying, once y'all guys started, realize I'm never going to stop. Then they get to the point where they can't go no further, and they don't know what to do. We're running around like a circle and a chicken without a head stuck on repeat. The king of New York, back quiet.